The way I do, but I would suggest you check him out.
That's what I'm doing. I'm checking him out. Yeah.
Okay, just don't mix business with pleasure. Nice to meet you again, Mr. Smith.
Nice to meet you.
Bye, Mom.
All right, bye-bye, Tony, and see you tomorrow.
Wow, she looks just like you, and she has the same fierce personality.
Yes, yes, she's like that, you know.
Here you go.
Thank you. Go on up, boy, Chris.
Yeah.
Hey, I see you. This one time, April did I give it? Your Jandeline 5 time. Thank you. Oh, this is a surprise.
Well, you get a favorite. Can you tell me say today is a full day?
Yeah, it's a full day. Come have 2 more April bread.
What me not distracting?
Oh, well, you know what I'm saying? Like a distraction about it.
You know something I can't study. Sometime I wonder. The other day, your whole focus step on destiny. It's like me, invisible. And now, look at you.
I don't know something about you today. Maybe other shirts. But you know what I'm saying, right? Sometimes the closed book just needs a little opening.
Are you saying what I'm thinking?
You mean if I forgot on this go teeth piece? Of course.
No. May I ask you if you come out tonight?
Well, I must have to think about it. Let's see.
See, if I try to study woman, I'm mad. I feel I wanna still.
Let's see. Come for your food, my love. Angela.
Does she live with you?
Oh, no. She lives on her own. She's she's a dancer.
Wow, maybe she can teach me some moves one day.
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
No, man. I don't. Her dance is a little jiggle up thing, you say, on TikTok and them something. The young people think. Not for you.
Okay. I don't want you to think I'm being too forward, but there is a private karaoke going on at a friend's house. Would you like to accompany me?
Listen to me, Marlon. I cannot sing a note.
No, man, you don't have to sing. I just like being in your company.
Well, it's still early and I don't have anything to go and do, so probably, yeah, why not?
Wonderful. After you?
Okay, then.